Hi, I'm Miss Joanne from the Berkeley Library, and today we're going to make birthday cake batter popcorn because it's my birthday month, so I wanted to celebrate. First thing it calls for is popcorn, about 6 cups, which is just about as much as comes in a microwave bag. I just went with microwave popcorn because that was easiest for me, but if you want to air pop it or pop it any other way that you like, whatever kind of popcorn works. So put it into a bowl. Then you're going to take white chocolate and melt 1.5 cups of it. Oops. A little extra water. All right, I'm gonna put this in the microwave. The white chocolate is all melted. And now we're going to add a cup of cake mix. Because I want this to taste like birthday cake, I'm using funfetti. But you could use any cake mix you want. Chocolate cake or strawberry. I bet that would taste good. And now, you want to mix gently at first so you don't end up with the flour going everywhere. All right, it's all mixed together, the cake mix and the white chocolate. If it's a little too thick, you can always add some vegetable oil or a little bit of shortening, coconut, whatever kind of oil you need to. We'll just thin it out a little bit if you need that. Now, we're going to drizzle it over the popcorn and give it a good mix. You want to be really gentle so that you don't mush up all the popcorn. When it's all mixed together, put it out onto a cookie sheet and try to put it into a single layer. And while this smells good, it doesn't look super appetizing and it doesn't look like birthday cake. This is how you make it look like cake. Add plenty of sprinkles all over the top. Now wait a little while to cool, if you can, and then enjoy.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.